Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I show you how to debug the API. First of all, why we need to debug the API? Right now we have lots of popular front-end framework and we develop the API for the front-end framework and mobile app, and sometime API take lots of execution time, and that time we need to know how many query are fired in one single API, how much time spent into the execution. So that time we need to improve the API performance, and that time we need to debug it. And one popular package, Laravel API debugger, is easy to provide debugging on the API in Laravel. So I'm going to install this package in my one existing application. Before the implement this package, I want to install this API. 7 seconds taken this API, and you can see here the response. 10 records I got into the API response. Let me install this package first of all, and then we check. Let me fire composer require and Lenin Laravel API debugger. Let me zoom so you can easily check this command. Composer dependency installed successfully of this package or Laravel API debugger. And let me show you into the Postman. I call this API again and get one more variable, one more key into the this response. Let me call it again, and I show you the debug data into the response, and you can see one more key available into the response debug, so you can easily know 33 query fired into the this API and time 10 second in this API. So now what I do here, I will check all the APIs which is fired duplicate, and I try to reduce the API call from the database. Also I check execution and try to reduce the time of the API. So this package easily integrate and easily provide all the things, all the queries provide into the response in all the APIs. You just need to install this package, and this package provide all the queries and query time as well. You can see here this query fire and take 5.21, and this query take 2.5 seconds, 3.42 seconds. So some of the query you can see here, this and this both query duplicate. So I try to remove one query and improve the performance of this API. So you can use it, this Laravel API debugger package, for the debug your API and improve your API performance. Thank you for watching the video. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.